electrics, engine sumps, all the above are vital to your four-wheel drive when off-road. Now how do you protect them? Well, it's pretty simple. A Rival Drivetech 4x4 Underbody Armour kit is the only way we thought to do it. Of course, we've got the Sparesbox Project Prado here, which is an absolute beast weekend warrior, and what better way to continue that theme than with some heavy-duty underbody protection. Now this Rival gear here is of course 6mm 5052 grade alloy bash plates. Now this here is corrosion resistant, it's 6mm, so it's going to be strong as, but also lightweight. You can also see we've got some cooling fins in the bash plate as well, which is going to maintain airflow to all the vital things under your car. Now this is going to protect your car from rocks. When you diff out in big ruts, bog holes and stuff that's in there you don't expect, it's going to protect all the vital stuff from your car and keep you on the tracks for longer. They of course start right up here under your radiator and go all the way back, protecting even your transfer case on this particular model.